Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix TikTok direct message option not showing. Many of us miss an option in his account on TikTok. It is a direct message. In this video I will show you how to fix this problem and how to recover this option to your account. First thing you want to do, you open your TikTok like this, as you see here. Then what you're going to do next, you go to the profile icon down here. You click on it like this. Then here what you're going to do, you go to the three lines at the top right. Then you click on settings and privacy. Then as you see here, many of us don't have this option showing there or here in the menu or in the settings and privacy. First solution to fix this problem is by updating your app. Try to update your TikTok app. Go to Play Store like this. Then open search for TikTok like this. Click on TikTok. Then if it show to you update here in the green button, click on it and wait until the updating complete and check if the option is show or not. If not, what you're going to do, you go to this icon app, TikTok app, click on it, long click, then click on app info like this. Then clear your cache and data. Clear your cache and data. This is second option, and try to force stop the app. Force stop the app like this. Then check if the option is show or not. If not, what you're going to do, you go to the second solution or the second method to fix this problem is by going to your profile icon like this. Then you go to the three lines. Then settings and privacy, then go to the down until you find report a problem. Click on it. Then what you're going to do here, you go down until you find submit a report. Click on it. Wait a minute. Then next what you're going to do is tell you to write in feedback to explain what's the problem you face on TikTok. The problem we face is direct messages, not option not showing in our TikTok app. So we write a message or our feedback, then we return to you. As you see here, we write this feedback, and it's follow like this. Hi TikTok team, my direct message option not showing on my account. Please help me to fix. Then you say, please help me to not showing on my account. Please help me to fix this. The message it's like this. Hi TikTok team, my direct message option not showing on my account. Please help me to fix this issue very soon. Thanks team TikTok at the end. And you can add a video or a photo, a screenshot telling him the place of the problem or the more details about your problem. Then when you finish, you click on submit. At the end of your writing feedback, click on submit like this and wait. The reporters or the team of TikTok, it will respond to you within 24 hours or 48 hours by a message or by a notification telling you the solution or how to fix your problem. And I hope you fix it. So this is how to recover direct message option in your account on TikTok. I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching. See you next.